Do you want to automate your social media? Maybe you want to post to all your social media accounts at the same time. In this video, I'll show you how to do both. This service is a must-have for busy brands or businesses because you can cut out so much repetition across all your social media accounts, saving you time to do more important things. So let's get started. First, go to www.buffer.com and you'll see this page where you can sign up using your email. Once you're signed in, you'll see icons for the most popular social media sites like Twitter and Facebook. Select the social media account you'd like to connect and log in. Once you connect your first social media account, you will see the queue page. This page lets you create posts that you can schedule and queue up for posting later. It's super simple and works great. All queued posts can be posted to all of your social media pages, or if you want, just to specific ones. You can schedule for a specific date and time in the future, or it can run at several intervals throughout the day, as defined by Buffer. Buffer will also shorten all the links you post for you automatically using Buffer's in-house link shortener, or you can connect a third party. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe.